Hello! Today we're going to be learning about how to configure your services or billable items and your payment methods. So in order to do that, you head over to your cogwheel settings, go to billing, and we'll start with billable services. Now, each billable services can be added by clicking the little plus button. Click here. You can give it a code if you're using insurance billing. You can give it a name. So let's say 902.523. Let's call it like a cervical adjustment for chiropractors. Let's give it a price. It can be let's say $75. And here's where you can add your taxes that we just configured the video before. And you can also say that this price includes the tax, so the system will calculate that the amount plus tax is $75. So in this case we'll have no tax. And here are your price groups. So you can, each patient can be assigned to a discount group. Those can be configured in the settings, patient discount types, and you can adjust the price based on the groups. Let's say children or teachers or colleagues or whatever. You can adjust the price based on these types of discounts, and OpusTIme will calculate the price when you invoice an item on it. All you have to do when you're done is click save, and if you want to edit one, you could just click on it, edit it, and then click update. It's as simple as that. Now let's take a look at your payment methods. It's pretty much the same. You just basically click on plus to add a new one and give it a name. That's it. And so when you're recording a payment, you can assign the payment type to whatever it is that you like to record, and we'll keep the statistics in your stats, in your reports, and on your dashboard. You'll know exactly what amount of what payment type you've recorded. I hope you liked this video. It was a really short one, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to share with your colleagues or co-workers or users of your system. All right, bye.